Okay, so these are chia seeds, black chia seeds soaked in water. Soak it in there for about 30 minutes. And what am I gonna do? Mix it in there. There. Okay, I'm putting this. Wow, blackberry thorns. Blackberry bush that I cut over those rocks. I'm putting them on fire. I don't like them. I know they're yummy berries, but I don't want them in my yard. And I have more to cut over there. Oh, we got more rocks over the beautiful rocks, but they are all covered with the blackberry bushes and thorns because our renter in the past 2 years never cut those. Maybe, I don't know. Yep. And also this fruit trees. Those are fruit trees with the cages in there, and some of them are not in the cage, and look how they grow bigger than the one with the nets. These are actually plastic nets for the deer, so the deer won't eat them up, but they are not growing as much as if they are free. See? Today, yan ang gagawin ko today. Let them free, but look at some, I don't know, this might be a plum, just one. They actually got quite a fruit on them. See, little tree with a lot of fruit. Looks like apples. Hey, yep, my tiny apple tree bearing apples. The girls had picked up all the grass clippings piles, and it's burning. Almost there, the yard. We can now see the rocks.
My wife is back at home again, thinking she in the Philippines. She doing her burning.
We have to post at 1 o'clock. Just an hour left. This afternoon we got more to rake down there. Do we have it until the afternoon? Later. Later. Later because we have date.
Look at her standing like a champ. I'll stay with it, honey.
What time is it? Homemade burger. Okay, so ay, that's my burger. No.
I'm so close to GK.
Oh, here's the double burger.
I'm so
Cheeseburger with homemade sauce and sun chips. And here's mine, just one burger, one patty. And I am now cleaning this bed. I know, gaming ano, wild mint. And these are the beautiful garlic chives ornaments, something. I don't think they don't eat this. It's a flower thing. And these are the Irish lilies from Atiso. I'm trying to clean this bed, and I'm just thinking that's why the deer don't bother this, because there's a lot of mint around, and this garlic, they don't like the smell of this. There's there's that snake earlier, you guys. I think it got hurt when I cut the grass. Looks like it got wounded. But it looks like a long one. Looks like two of them. What is that? Ayan guys, hindi pa umaalis yung yung snake ahas. Siguro nasugatan yun. Masakit yung ulo niya siguro kaya hindi siya gumagalaw and then pa rin. Ako'y nagva-vacuum na lang dito. Kasi merong parang nag-iipot yung aking lawn mower. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Nakikita nyo yan. Grass clippings. Kaya andun pa siya nakita ko guys. Kawawa.